Now you can call me ignorant if you want, but when I heard that Miranda Lambert song, Another Vice, I, I was confused. Because here in the shop, another vice is a good thing. We got a vice there. We got another vice here. That one's pretty nice. It's portable. And we got another vice there. So she's talking about another vice like it's a bad thing. I don't get it. I just don't get it. And another vice. And another vice. So, yeah. I have no problem with vices. I think they're a wonderful thing. Miranda Lambert screwed up. And another vice. For these crazy farmers think I'm a plumber. Ain't no damn plumber. Miranda Lambert's still screwed up because vices are good things.